Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss the difference between workout and workout. Yes, surprisingly, these two are different. Workout without a space as one word is different from workout as two separate words. So let's learn the difference today, and I'm telling you, this is very important because I have observed how even fitness experts, healthcare experts also use these two words interchangeably without knowing that these two are quite different. So now, today we are going to learn what's the meaning of these two words and how are they different from each other. So let's begin today's class. Okay, the word workout without a space as one word can be used as a noun and as an adjective. In very simple terms, we can understand that noun is a name. As a noun, workout means exercise, any session of exercise. Okay, for example, I am planning to schedule my Monday morning workout on Tuesdays. It can also be used as an adjective. For example, workout plan or workout routine or workout day. So these words like plan, day, routine, these words are nouns, and the word describing these nouns is workout without a space. So it can also be used as an adjective. I hope you got it. I will explain it once again. But before that, let's understand what is workout with a space. Workout with a space is a verb phrase. In simple terms, it's like a verb. Verb means an action. Okay. This word with space means to exercise. This does not mean exercise. It's a noun. It's a name. This word means to exercise when I am doing something. So for example, I like to work out in the morning hours. Or I work out with my best friend. Are you getting the difference now? How these two words are different? The word without a space is a noun or an adjective. We use this word when either we are naming the activity or we are describing it. But here we are using when we are describing the action. So when you hit the gym, you work out or you work out? You tell me. Let's use both of these in one sentence to understand clearly. I work out with my best friend at my workout time. Verb, adjective. With a space, without a space. I hope you have understood the difference between these two. I am waiting for the answer. When you hit the gym, you work out or you work out. Do let me know your answer in the comment section. I'll be waiting. This is Anushree signing off. Thank you.